If you're struggling with zero views on YouTube, don't worry, I've been there and I know how frustrating it can be. So in this video, I'm going to be giving you guys some actionable tips that you can do to correct this problem. So make sure you stick around with me till the end and don't forget to like this video. So let's dive in. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this channel, I make YouTube growth videos. So if you're interested in this kind of content, please subscribe to this channel and give this video a like. And you can also share this video so that others can see this video. So on today's video, I'll be talking about, or I'll be giving you solutions on how to fix zero views on YouTube. You know, it's a big problem that every small YouTuber faces. So today I'll be giving you tips on how to fix it. Please stick with me to the end and don't forget to subscribe one last time. So before I give you guys tips on how to fix zero views on YouTube, let's understand the reason why you're getting zero views on YouTube. So the first reason is poor SEO. This is the most common reason that every small YouTuber usually face, including me. So if your title, tags, and description don't match what people are searching for, if it does not contain the keyword people are searching for on YouTube, YouTube won't recommend your videos. That is it. Then the second one is if your click-through rate is low. So if your thumbnail is not attractive or your title is not attention grabbing, your click-through rate will be low and YouTube will not recommend your video. So it's best that you look into this problem and understand this problem so that you can be able to fix zero views. So the third reason why you're getting zero views is when you don't have a target audience. So whenever you create your videos with no audience in mind, you're just creating random videos on YouTube, your content will not resonate with anyone on YouTube and you're not going to get views. So it's best that you look into this issue. Then the fourth problem is inconsistent posting. So as a small YouTuber, you're just starting out. The thing that you need to be doing is posting consistently. So if you don't post consistently, you're going to be getting zero views and YouTube will not favor your channel. So I just want to list this problem, like list the reasons why you're getting zero views before I give you tips on how to fix zero views. So since we now know the reason, let's talk about the next issue. How do we fix zero views? So guys, the first and the most important way to fix zero views is to optimize for search. Make sure that any videos you're creating, make sure that you optimize your title, tags, and description. You need to use the keywords that people are searching for. You can use tools like vidIQ or TubeBuddy to help you with this. When you do it, you'd be able to rank on YouTube search. So if you're not using vidIQ, I don't know what you're doing. I don't know why you're wasting time. Try to get vidIQ. They have the free and the pro version. So whichever one you want to do. The free version is actually nice and the pro version is more better. So whichever one you want to do, just do it. Or you can use TubeBuddy and start getting views. So try to use it and try to optimize for search. When you do this, you start getting views. Just let me know in the comment section if you're using vidIQ or you're using TubeBuddy. Just let me know in the comment section. Then I'll be there to interact with you guys. The second solution I'll be giving you to fix zero views is to create irresistible thumbnail. Your thumbnail is very important. A lot of small YouTubers usually neglect their thumbnail. You need to like work on your thumbnail because your thumbnail is the first thing that somebody will see on YouTube and decide to watch your video and decide to click on your video. So if your thumbnail is looking shitty, like if it's not looking nice, nobody will watch your video, nobody will click on your video. So try to spend time on your thumbnail after recording your video, or maybe before you record your videos. You can design your thumbnail, design it very well. Make sure you add bold fonts, readable fonts. You don't need to add so many words on your thumbnail, and make sure that the pictures you're using, the facial expression is on point. Make sure, like, try to add colors. Let your thumbnail be vibrant. If you know Mr. Beast and you've seen his videos, you know how his thumbnail looks like. It's very attractive. So try to design your thumbnail. You can use tools like Canva, CapCut, or Hypeak. Hypeak is very nice. I use it and it's free. So you can use it to design your thumbnail, and when you design it, people will start clicking on your videos. I'm not saying that like if you design your thumbnail very well, that people will start watching your videos. No, but at least it will help you. So try to do it and you see you're going to notice a very big change. The next solution I'll be giving you is to focus on value. You need to create valuable content. You don't just create random videos, especially if you're a YouTube beginner, especially if nobody knows you. So you can't just start YouTube and start creating videos like celebrities. Try to create videos that give value. Maybe you can create educational videos or you can create entertainment videos, or this comedy, acting, and all that, or you can just create videos that inspires people. So when you do all these things, you start getting views. You're going to get your own viewers, and you'll be able to build your own community. So try to give out value. Value is really important on YouTube. Another way to fix zero views is to leverage trends. Don't underestimate the power of trends. Trends is like magic. So just try to do trending videos, try to do trending topics within your niche, and don't forget to be unique. You don't need to copy someone else or be like someone else. Do your own stuff in your own way, and you're going to get your own unique viewers. So, and another thing is, don't do trending videos that is outside your niche. For example, if you're a chef on YouTube and maybe there is a trend within tech videos, and you decide to do tech review, your audience will not like, they will not watch the video, or maybe they will watch it but they won't, like, they will be confused. So just do stuff within your niche. When you do it, you start getting views. Don't underestimate the power of trends. You can use tools like Google Trends. Google Trends can help you come up with topics that are trending on within your regions. Next thing that I'll be telling you is to promote your videos. Try to promote your videos. Whenever you post your videos and you notice that the views are low, you can share your videos outside of YouTube. But the thing is, before you share your video, you need to wait for at least 24 hours or maybe 48 hours. That's 2 days or maybe a day before you share it to other social media platforms. So when you do it, people can click the link and watch your videos. It will help you a lot. So try to promote your videos, but don't promote your videos immediately you upload them on YouTube. Wait for YouTube to recommend your videos to the viewers. So after 2 days or maybe after a day, you can shift it, you can move it to other social media platforms. Another tip I'll be giving you is to engage with your audience. Engagement works like magic. Try to engage with your audience. Anytime somebody comments on your videos, try to reply that comment. Always be there to answer comments, because the more you're answering comments, the more people will be coming to watch that video, the more YouTube will be promoting your videos, will be sharing your videos to others to watch. So try to engage with your audience, and don't be scared to ask them to subscribe, like, and share your videos. It is very important. Don't be scared to ask them. And a lot of viewers usually forget it. So just don't be scared to ask them to do it. And speaking of sharing videos, please, my beloved audience, please share this video, and I'd like you to comment. Let me know what you think. What are your thoughts? What do you think about this video? Is this video helpful? Is this video interesting? Let me know in the comment section, and I'll be there to answer each and every one of you. So just do it for me, and you can also apply it whenever you're creating your own videos. So my wonderful viewers, when I started YouTube newly, I was getting zero views, which is like, it's very, very frustrating. But I had to re-strategize. I had to research for topics that people are searching for within my niche. Topics that have low competition and high search volume. I had to research it, and with vidIQ, I was able to get it. So make sure you use vidIQ. So when I got it, I started creating videos out of it, and I started seeing some changes at least. So the next thing I did was I revamped my thumbnails and my title and description and all that. I had to redesign my thumbnail. I had to change the way I create thumbnail, the way I design thumbnails. So try to revamp your thumbnail, and when you revamp your thumbnails, people will start clicking on your videos. You're going to get high CTR, high click-through rates. So that was the second thing I did, and I started seeing some changes, little changes. So the next thing I did was I created playlists. I started combining videos that had high views and those that have low views. I had to combine everything together within one playlist. And when somebody is watching a video from your playlist, the next video that will automatically pop up will be a video that is inside that playlist. So my videos that had low views started getting little views. So when you do all these things that I have said in this video, the tips I gave you before, plus this one, when you do it, you start seeing some changes. Your videos will start getting views. I'm not saying that you start getting 1K, 2K, 100K views, but no, you start seeing some changes unlike before. So try to do it, and just let me know in the comment section if it worked for you. Fixing zero views on YouTube is not impossible. It is 100% possible. You just need the right strategy to fix it. So just follow all the tips I've given you in this video. Try to correct yourself. Try to do everything I said in this video, and with time you start seeing changes. And I'd also like to tell you guys that the big YouTubers you're seeing today is like, they started just like you and I. There was a time they were getting zero views, but they did not give up. They kept on posting videos and they kept on going. So look at where they are today. So just keep on posting your videos and everything will be okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really I appreciate you guys for watching this video, and I'd also like to wish you guys a happy new year. I've not wished you guys a happy new year, so happy new year to you guys. I'm very, very grateful for everything, the love, the support, everything. So just accept my thanks and appreciation. And I just hope that this year, 2025, will be a good year for us YouTubers. I hope that this year will be a better year. Like, I just hope so. Thank you so much once more. And don't forget to subscribe. So I'll see you guys in the next video. And don't forget to click this video showing on your screen right now.